Hello. Now, this video is how we curl her looking like this. I haven't removed the lace because this is meant for a client. I have one for myself with a little bit tighter curl. It's gonna be a talk over. You will see the step. That's the base I always do for when I curl this baby girl. This is a synthetic wig. I'm gonna use a Dyson Airwrap. If you want to know how to get these layers, you should watch that other video, which is part 1 for cutting and curling synthetic wig. Cut is the real foundation and then the curl just comes in. Let me show you another one I did with a bit tighter curl. This is exactly what you will see now, but the other model I'm just gonna show you just in a second is still the same cut, just a little bit shorter face frame bangs. It has a bit more curls to create more massive volume. It's beautiful. And this is the other one. As you see, it has more curls here. This is a bit shorter. This is my model. Here we have the lace cut off, is what I like. Just follow these steps. I'm gonna talk over everything what I do, and it's super easy. It takes maximum up to like 20 minutes to curl with Dyson Airwrap. It creates a nice texture to the hair that really is like human-like. And if you have Futura HD fiber on the wig, no one's gonna tell it's a synthetic. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe definitely, because we're sharing more stuff, crafts, and ideas for the hair, for the wigs. Ask any questions if you're interested. Okay, let's do this. So, showing you what those layers we created in the haircut. Start by detangling it, of course, and we're gonna use the 32mm big barrel. The first section, the underneath layer, nape area, is gonna go directing to the right side. And then I'm gonna separate the middle part out and direct it to the left side. And don't be afraid that I'm not directing it all in the same area, because we can still fix those at the ends. Very good hack is, the tip is, well, basically you go on high speed and highest heat. You make sure that the fiber is split evenly over the barrel. And once, of course, you cool it down, and when you take it off, you see me, bouncing it in my hand, and I make sure it is cooled down, because with the synthetic fiber, if it's hot and you will drop it down, the curl's gone. It's not hair. Remember that. That's a super important tip. Look at me here. Again, I'm doing it. You see, with fingers moving it around, and when I'm still checking it for the coolness as well. And the top section is basically, because this is a 13x6 synthetic wig, I'm gonna separate that away. So the wefts were with the big barrel and divide it in half. Once both of the sides go away from the face, I take small sections, again making sure it's all nice and even on the barrel. And if you pay attention how I roll it on, because I just don't allow Dyson to suck on with the sucking function, I use my hands to create it smoother, because if it's gonna be too messy, the curl's gonna be too messy as well. That's the thing with synthetic, right? It's just gonna bend it in mess and it's gonna tangle as crazy. Let's smooth it out. Let's see where we don't want to be too tight. This is the area I'm fixing, and I'm using the big barrel because I want soft curls around the face, which is more like this Oslo vibe. When I use it, again, highest heat, highest speed, and you see me, I roll it and I keep it a bit longer on the handle. That allows me to cool it down 100%, and it makes sure that I'm gonna have the curl there. These two side pieces I curl away from the face because I want them open up the jawline. And some bits and pieces I fix as I go, because it's not gonna, the base curl already helps, and it kind of helps to smooth it out. Brushing it out. Here you will see me brushing it all back. This is like here, right? This is very important if you want to have voluminous curls. Let's say you're gonna use the wig for a photo shoot. You don't want it to look too synthetic. You want it to look natural. That's how you brush it. And then you move it with your hands up, down, and move it with your hands different pieces. It's like, yeah, if you want me to tell you more about the styling and stuff, let me know. We can make a video. But yeah, this is how I do it. It's super easy and it's simple. And yeah, thank you for tuning in, and bye.